Pilot 5 retractable belt unit is compact, versatile, and adaptable. In conjunction with the Pilot Magna mount bracket, Pilot 5 is perfectly suited for use across warehouse racking aisles. The magnetic mounting bracket attaches securely to warehouse racking, and the Pilot 5 belt extends and retracts effortlessly across the aisle. The Pilot Magna mount magnet is a solid and sturdy component with maximum holding strength. It consists of one large heavy-duty magnet centered within the back of the Magna mount bracket, providing wide coverage and superior magnetic grip. The magnetic receiver clip also utilizes a heavy-duty magnet to ensure the belt is safely secured into place on the other side of the warehouse racking aisle. In the event the Magna mount bracket is accidentally dislodged, the inbuilt bungee cord is an extra level of security designed to protect the bracket and connected Pilot belt unit from falling and hitting the ground. Pilot 5 is a slender and compact unit able to be utilized in areas where space-saving products are paramount. The 5-meter belt length fits snugly inside the Pilot 5 unit and is available in a variety of colors and text choices. Custom belt colors and designs are also available upon request. The unique swivel design built into the Pilot 5 base allows for maximum flexibility and quick deployment into required positions. Arguably the most outstanding feature of the Pilot range is the clever Twist-Lok connectivity system that allows Pilot belt units, Pilot accessories and Pilot mounting units to interact and seamlessly connect. The Pilot ecosystem provides durable and reliable products with a wide range of applications and features.